Hi! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about collecting and organizing data. Let us solve this example so that you would know how to collect and organize data. There is an Emirati farmer from Sharjah who set up an honesty kiosk in Sharjah Road. He placed all the goods unmanned because he trusts all people to pay for what they take. He brings all his product in the morning and clear them out in the evening according to the municipality hygiene rules. Let us try to give an example for the product that was sold today. For example, dates 12 plus 6, tomato 15 plus 2, broccoli 10 plus 5, kale 15 plus 3, onion 15 plus 10, lettuce 15 plus 1, and okra or ladyfinger which is 10 plus 5. What are we going to do? We're going to make a table on the products sold. The first column, the vegetables, and then the tally, and the third column will be the frequency. Do you remember how to make tally marks? We're going to make 4 straight lines and the fifth one will be diagonal representing 5 counts. Okay? Then we are going to count the tally for the frequency. So, we counted all the vegetables that was sold and the frequency was shown here. From the frequency table, we can answer all the following questions. Let us answer the questions one by one. What product was sold most? Look at the frequency table. Which one has the most number? So, we can answer it. The onion was the product that was sold most, right? And what product are the least sold for the day? So the least sold are those with 15 counts. So those are broccoli and okra or ladyfinger. Then what is the difference between the most sold and the least sold product? The most sold is the onion, which is 25, and the least sold were broccoli and okra, which is 15. So 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. The last question, how many kind of vegetables were sold for the day? So by simply counting how many vegetables are on the frequency table, you can find out that there are 7 vegetables. Let's try another example. Mr. Abdul Al-Qaidi shows that Emirati trust people in this way. That is why all people were being honest, and it was one good values we must maintain here in UAE. Mr. Al-Qaidi said people's honesty was such that he has never fallen short by a single dirham when the cash is tallied up at the end of the day. So, let us make an example for his earnings so that we can make a frequency table again. So, if his earning this Monday were 38 dirhams, Tuesday 49, Wednesday 54, Thursday 98, Friday 95, and Saturday 97 dirhams. We are going to make a frequency table of his earnings and identify the day with the highest earning and which day get the lowest. Okay? By making a week's earnings table with the day on the first column, the tally on the second, and the frequency on the third, you can right away identify which one is the highest and the lowest day of earnings. Collecting and organizing data is very easy, right? So, guys, for more info, I would like to tell you that Mr. Al-Qaidi plans to open more honesty kiosks in our Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, and Dubai following the success of his first small road kiosk just off the Manliha to Hatta motorway. Some customers requested that the stall be open for business by 6 or 7 in the morning instead of 8:30. But because the products are harvested fresh daily in his own farm, it takes time for the goods to be loaded and transported. One good news is additional kiosks in Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, and Dubai could be solar powered to generate energy to run a small fridge and lights inside the Honesty kiosk. Just remember, math is very easy. And in our lesson, you're going to learn additional information regarding our daily lives. So, till next lesson, bye-bye!